Check throttle. Do I look awesome? Put the spring back.
Not that one.
Not that one.
Since our ignition switch sticks, I'll switch into a better solution. One more permanent.
Sweet. Alright, so we gotta start disconnecting stuff.
Yeah, let's go take that drive shaft off.
Drive shaft and all that other stuff.
Look how nice and smooth mine moves.
Yeah, mine doesn't. I wonder why. Why'd I get the short end of this stick?
Ooh, who's that?
Who's here? Replace, you know, all this work just replace the flywheel. Or flex plate. Use proper terminology.
What are you doing? Oh, careful. Hi. What are you doing? Oh, no, no camera licking. No kisses. Careful. Hi. Where's Mom?
These U-bolts are not coming off very easy. Could be sat in Valdez for, 10 years, might be the problem.
Just a little bit.
The other tires chock so don't roll myself over.
No. Why would I do such a thing? Thank God.
Well, I'm just wondering, I don't want to get ran over. The thing with heavy lighting.
Yes. Oh, what are you doing? I'm trying to work on a truck. What are you doing? Remington. Remy. What are you doing down here?
Am I going the right way? I don't even know. Going backwards.
I got the drive shaft just in case.
Alright, and then you just grab this big shaft right here and just yank it out. Watch your leg, probably just skew. There we go. Alright, let's see if I can break this transmission line loose. Make a mess.
Yep.
It'd be cool if you had a lift. Sweet. Yeah, those are broke loose, so we don't have to worry about that. Remy! You stepped on my creeper. Hi. Hi. Oh, yeah. Hello.
Remington, what are you doing?
Yeah, she keeps
Yeah. Pay attention to me. What are you licking my belly for?
she wants your attention.
Yeah.
But you got the front part probably to make it easier.
I should be able to wiggle it out. Just enough. Okay, we are out of the joint.
Okay, so fast forward. We got the cross member out, got everything bolted. That's the new flywheel, or flex plate, I should say, since it's not a manual. You can see up in there, it's kind of tricky doing it without pulling the whole transmission, but it's out. You can see. And the old starter, you can see some of the teeth are worn off, but if you look around here, a lot of these, like right here, are worn off. They're at least half gone compared to what they should be. So we'll be getting a new one in there, and we'll get back to this Ford. Alright, so got new flex plate in, torqued up. Now we're gonna try to slide the transmission back in. See how that goes. If that works, huh?
If we're lucky,
Maybe.
slide right on. Yeah, but we know how that really goes.
We're gonna need to line up the torque converter.
Yeah.
Because Ford uses, awesome bolts that stick out.
Yeah. No hard feelings. Don't be mean to the truck just because it's a Ford.
Alright, so slide it forward, try to. Okay, ready?
Right?
Yeah.
There we go.
So we're back here working on 86 Ford. I never have good luck with Ford starters, so we're swapping out from Ford starter to this style. It's made from Tough Stuff, whose slogan is "Our chrome will get you home," but they're an American-made company. So it's a Chevy style, so it's got a solenoid on it instead of these. I hate these starters. They never work right. At least for me. I'm not a big Ford guy, but I can't get it to work. So we'll get this one thrown in and we'll get it wired up. All right, so I got the Tough Stuff starter installed. It comes with wiring. It's pretty simple. Since it's got the solenoid on the starter, we have to run this wire down to the starter, back up to the original part on the solenoid that went to the starter. I'll show you how to bypass that, but right now I just took the wire that came with the kit, put it in some plastic lube just so it doesn't rub on stuff. Cheap stuff, nothing special. And then we'll go through this in, and then I'll show you what you have to change on the solenoid up here on the Ford part, and get back to you. All right, so I got it all wired up. I'll show you what I did here, and here we go. Okay, before anybody says anything, yes, that is a side post battery with top post mounts. And it might not be right, but it is a free battery and it works, so is it wrong? Probably not, but probably, who knows. So anyway, on the solenoid here, what you do is you take this one used to go to the starter, so you move it up to the main power. This is the main power going in. So just straight power to the battery, and then the one that used to go to the starter to start it, you wire into this one, and that one goes all the way down there. It's right here. Follow the starter wire all the way down. That one hooks to the solenoid. So the starter will have constant power until you hit that solenoid. It'll activate that solenoid and engage the starter. It might be a little complicated, but it works. I'll show you down here real quick what it looks like. Really not much to see down here, but as you can see, starter's their original wire, goes up to the top of the solenoid. That red wire is the one that goes from the start side of the solenoid down to this solenoid. And it's pretty straightforward. It's not too much going on. Saying this truck has a lot of stuff that are hacked up on it. A lot of wiring. Has an MSD box just thrown there on a rag, so you know that's custom. This truck was sitting for a good 10 years or more in Valdez, just covered in snow, and crushed the hood, and so that's where we are. We'll go for a start here in a minute and see if it actually works. Stay tuned. First start up with the Ford, new starter. So that finishes up the Ford for now. I'm sure you'll see it back again. Until next time. It's a Ford. Ta-da!